Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are changing or new creating Apple ID password and you are facing this problem. You can see appears on screen your password must be at least 8 characters. How to fix this problem, guys? This is not big issue. Please keep watching this video until the end. Here guys, first of all open Snapchat application. You can see appears on screen. Tap on it, Snapchat application. Here guys, you can see I am trying to changing my Snapchat password. You can see here I am facing this problem. You can see your password must have 8 character. How to fix it, guys? For this I take you the message application and explain it. Here guys, for example your name is Rahim, and first of all capital letter Rahim, RAHIM, and now numerical numbers add. You can see double two double three, minimum 8 characters total, and add one special number. You can see this is your password for Snapchat account, guys. If you make a such as password, then you will not have any problem again. Hey guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.